Hey fellas, working on the wife's office today. It's a fairly sizable room, about 12 by 13, and we ripped up the old hardwood because it was no good, so we had to redo it. And the previous owner had put in these 2-inch Sons Guns staples for the hardwood. These things are really, really long, and as you can see, also did not follow code and put them literally every inch or so all the way down, and it's pretty large. So what I found is I found the fastest way to remove these, and I'm doing this at fairly lightning speed, so much so that I almost forgot to slow down and make one of these here videos. And you can see literally tried and tested with blood right here, tried and tested method of doing this. So I have tried the old-fashioned pry bar. Okay, pry bar can't get into the can't get. Okay. Next, I have a legitimate pry tool. Not too bad with a you get it in there. But again, these Sons of Guns are 2 flippin' inches long. Okay, so not enough leverage to get in there. Okay, tried myself a vice grip this way. Okay, again, they're too freaking, I can get it, yep, okay. Don't get me wrong, but sometimes you gotta get really good grip on it. You gotta pull, and sometimes that happens, okay. Slow. It's too slow, okay. Same with these. You can't get any good leverage on them, and you gotta pull really hard, and she don't work, okay. So, claw hammer, obviously. No worky. Okay, let me show you this. Easiest way I've done this. It's with this guy right here. We're gonna use the power of the inclined plane, or the lever, so to speak, with the angle. So you get yourself a nice long needle nose pliers with the 45-degree bend on it. And let me show you how quickly this makes this work here. Anyway, short little tip. Okay, 3/4 piece of scrap wood you got. Use this, put it right about pull straight up. Comes out like a dream. Thanks, fellas. See ya.